makes the Abuti Academy online classroom so amazing? We'll tell you. First of all, it's super user-friendly. Teachers log in, upload or share material, and then invite students. Students join the class, do the work, watch the videos, listen to audio, and then hand in assignments. All in one space. It's like you didn't even leave the classroom. In other words, teachers keep teaching and students keep learning. Connect from any device and for free. The Abuti Academy online classroom makes online teaching fun. So don't stress, we've got your back. The Abuti Syllabus Better World Project. No child gets left behind.